Hey fam, how are you doing? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lela, aka Mrs. Talks, and today I'm here with a laundry motivation video, just less than 8 minutes laundry motivation video. So guys, I hope you watch this video until the end. I just want to say thank you guys to all the new subscribers and also to all the old subscribers who keep on coming back to watch my videos. I truly appreciate you guys. So we start off by sorting out the laundry according to color and also type of clothing. I'd like to know, do you guys wash your clothes separately from the kids' clothes, or you just mix? I myself, I also sometimes I wash separately. Like I would do on a separate day, I would just wash the kids' clothes, and on another day I'll just do our laundry, mine and Mr. Chop's. But on this particular day, because it wasn't a big load of laundry, I just decided to do it all at once, so I mixed it all. So without much of me blabbering about, let's get right into the video. I hope you guys will enjoy it, and comment down below with some tips or whatever that you would like to share concerning laundry basically. Bye, I'll see you on the next video guys. Enjoy. Guys, I am now done with the first load. It's already on the washing line. I'm also done washing the second load of laundry. I'm about to rinse it, then put it on the washing line. Also, I've immersed the kids' bottoms and jackets into water. I'm still using the first bucket load of water that I used to wash the white clothes. That's the water that I'm still using. Then after this, I'm going to change the water and move on to our bottoms and all the stuff that's left. So yeah guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you're watching this and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my video, to my channel I mean, and don't forget to leave a thumbs up and a comment down below. you.